outside the sarsen stone ring. Behind the sarsen stone, everything sounds fairly similar out here. And I'm just going to walk in a line back to the altar stone. I'm now at the centre. I'm going to turn right and walk towards the speaker. Drumbeat now, this is what it sounds like. It's next to the speaker. I'm going to walk right the way across. So just before the middle that was. This is the middle. And I'm now between the left sarsen stone at the edge of the circle and the blue stone in front of it. I'm now going to go behind the trilithons. In front of the trilithons. And now I'm between the first trilithon and the stone, blue stone, in front of kind of trilithon on the right, number 2, the medium-sized one, and the blue stone in front of it. Let's go between the two trilithon stones.